guys, so I just got home from the appointment I had. Actually, dumiretso na ako sa Saler because I wanted to get like ponytail sana for the wedding ni RJ at ni Maria. But, ang dami ko nagastos. Muntik pa ako bumili ng bagong bag. Yeah, so sabi ko pa naman this year intentional na yung mga bibilhin ko. Pero parang pag na-stress pala medyo budol. Anyways, the first thing I got was coffee. Because hanggang 4 a.m. ako ngayon kasi kahapon nawalan ako ng 1 hour. And then, yung bibilhin ko talaga is clip lang. Kaso, hindi ko gusto yung mga clips. So, yung store is my buy two take one. So, I got this super cute ribbon and another one in floral. So, either of the two. And I also got yung clip lang na to for my hair. So, ayun, buy two siya. And then ito, super, gusto ko talaga bumili pero hindi ko naman in-expect na ngayon ko siya bibilhin. Well, you gotta treat yourself. So I have 3 products from Kiko Milano. The first one is tong Glow Fusion Highlighting Drops. So it's basically liquid highlighter. What I like about liquid highlighters, I had one before from Colorette. Hinahalo ko siya sa foundation and super ganda na kinakalabasan when that happens. So, yeah, I like it so much. Shit, di ko mabuksan. Ay, nasira. Anyways. There you go. This one is like medyo brownish yung color. And then next one, ito talaga yung pinunta ko. I needed a orange concealer for the dark under eyes. And this one is a random buy. Because gusto ko talaga na medyo long-lasting na lip tint lippy. So, I have this one. It's a marker. And it's very, very nice. Para lang talaga siyang marker. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Yan. And then, you just do like that to your lips. Di ba parang nag-color lang kayo. Tapos, ayan siya. Kapag full coverage. And then, you can just swipe it. Para mag-lighten up siya. Which is super nice color. So, yeah. Medyo dry yung lips ko, so hindi siya kumo-color, but this is the color. Super love it. So, basically, that is for my short haul. Nagluto na rin ako ng lasagna earlier, so now, I'm just gonna start working. So, let's go. Good morning, guys. It's 5:45. Ano ba? 5:46. And we're going to Barcelona!
Sa TikTok.
Si Dave, sana mo problema.
Look at my hair. It's straight. What?
Guys, hindi siya ganun. Sumakay lang kami ng bus, naging ganun na siya.
Nag-reband lang.
Nag-video.
Kendall, lagay yung ulo ni Kendall. Hi, so sa airport na, konti na lang. We're here. Welcome to Barcelona. Ano yung mga intro ng mga vlog sa mga lamig. Barcelona.
Kung source material, pag sabihin natin source material, no?
Ano yung soft material?
Source material, but we go through to what is written.
Mura ginawa ko na sa
Mga
ministry.
ganun.
Ito kanina. pwede.
Sige, matcha.
Pwede lang po ano.
Hello! Nasa Sagrada kami!
Tasa energy. Ano sa park, no? Kada park. Dira nga side, no? Dira.
Have you ever after Eh! Top view!
Apil, apil ko.
Eh!
Go.
Mag-transfer sa akin.
Karot?
Bilang isang squammy.
Bar restaurant.
Looking for dinner.
Kung 6 to 8 ang gastos, kumain na sila.
Nagko-compute na sila.
Kakain sa labas. Pero anong type?
Mahubuan mo.
Okay, saan tayo punta?
Cinderella.
Sa oras
Mag-dress rehearsal,
mag-wake
Syracuse.
ako.
Going to Casabatlo. But it's...
For a night
but it's-
out. Night out na mga
Hanggang alas
30.
12.
Uy!
Ay,
Tawad
wala
lang.
na, Dave. Wala na.
Wag na kaya na yan ko eh.
Nalagay sa ref na. May ano na doon, yung level ng ref. Bless. Sa ref natin, bless candle Dave.
Hindi na ako magpapatalo, dapat ako na ako. Dave.
Mataas na siya, please. Kaya yung space sa ref. Buwang man, this guy. Wait lang, papitilo ba siya?
Are you judging me?
Unsa man eh?
Guys, nasa Montserrat ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Sino ba naman kasi ang anti-trip lang? Nagpunta dito nang walang itinerary. Wisit. Guys, nasa Basilica ako. As in, ang goal lang naman ay pumasok sa Basilica at magsindi ng kandila. Just to thank you for everything good that's been happening in my life. So, let's go! Hi! Ang cute! Guys, against the light kasi, pero it's here, the cathedral. Super nice. As in, hindi ko lang saan ako titingin. Kung sa taas o sa baba. Super nice. Ganda. Naghahanap ako ng masasabitan. Wala akong masabitan. Saan ba pwede? Ayan. Dito ba? Yes. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong pupuntahan ko dito. But for now, okay na ako. I need to catch the 2:45 train. Currently, it's 2:10. So I'm just gonna get some water, maybe, or coffee. Tapos, punta na tayo sa station. It was fun. Hello, nandito na ako sa hostel ulit. And I have cup noodles. Wala, naupuan ko yung ipit. But hi guys, another day, another time to clean my room. So currently it's Good Friday. It's Good Friday, right? Basta it's April 3 already, and of course it's a holiday. Wala akong work. Supposedly meron, but I felt sick yesterday, and lagi kasi nagkakasakit din yung tutor ko na yun. So they opted not to push through with the day na lang din, which I agree. Because I need rest. So, I'm just gonna clean my room because ever since we went to Barcelona, sobrang kalat as in. Kasi, nag-change na rin ako ng gamit from winter clothes to spring clothes. So, nag-pack na ako ng, binalik ko na sa maleta yung mga puffer, jacket, and everything. So, now, I just need to fold some clothes and then probably magwawalis lang ako and double-check the shoes that I can use for spring. But I'm not sure. Also, kasi hindi ko ayusin yung maleta ko. Kasi iniisip ko kung ilalagay ko pa siya sa taas. Eh, may trip kami ni Tin on the last week of April. So, if I put it up and put like a lot of t-shirts and everything, I need to put it down na naman. So, yeah, basically that's it. Hopefully, I become more consistent this month kasi I've been loving recording. It's just that sometimes we just don't have the energy to. But let's make this a routine. So, dapat, niisip ko ngayon, bibigyan ko na ng price yung sarili ko. Like, if may content ako for 1 week, I get this and I get that. So, let's see if it would work with me, yung mga reward system. Very teacher. But yeah, that's it. And then the plan, after cleaning, nagaya si Kendall na mag-coffee together with Dave and si Deej, yung friend namin from the wedding. Well, technically friend nila from Spain, pero I just met her in a wedding. So, let's see. Let's start cleaning!
Para suporta, suporta sa United. Don't join the trip anytime.
Guys, hinahanap ko na sila. Hindi ko alam kung nasa sila. Tumawid ako. Ano pa pala? Halos ay araw yun. Tumawid ako, tapos nakastop pa pala. Sorry! Sorry, Spain! Gutom na ako, guys. Hindi pa ako kumakain. So, papunta akong McDo. Doon ko sila i-meet. So, let's go! Boat.
Boat sa Sevilla.
Boat sa Sevilla?
Yung parang, hindi pa. Yung parang may kanal-kanal.
Alright, guys! Cheers!
Cheers! I see. Cheers!
Ayaw nyo? Ay,
Magdadrive ako.
ayoko.
1, 2, 3, go!
Birthday girl!
Tayo po dahil dalawa.
Uy, masarap. Sabi niya. Giwag naman.
May meds ako.
May medyo. Good morning, guys. Actually, afternoon na. It's 1:30 and nag-lunch kami ni Kendall unexpectedly sa Albufera dahil kay Dave. So, we have this one. Ay, tabi nga. But it's calamares. Tutumba pa siya. And, of course, my favorite, Tinto de Vera. And we ordered also paella, so kain na. Guys, I'm full, pero ito na yung paella namin and the tinto again.
Sige, ponerlo ahí la ponéis, eh.
No pasa nada.
Did you make lots of photo?
Yes. Yes. Can you have Coca-Cola Zero?
No, of course, yes.
Ay, no. For free. For free. Oo din. Pansin ko, di ba nag-work pa naman ako doon. Alam mo, gusto ko to aralin. Para pag umuwi ako ng Pinas, parang may flex ako sa friends ko na, you know, I can cook paella. Ah.